Hello friends, Mobilizzer. How are you? Stay healthy always. The Lamborghini Revuelto has finally been introduced to the public, along with the 60th anniversary of the Italian supercar company, Automobili Lamborghini. Believed to be the first high-performance electrified vehicle made by this bull-symbolized manufacturer, this supercar that has power close to that of a hypercar is the successor to the Lamborghini Aventador. The Lamborghini Revuelto uses the latest design, innovative design, aerodynamic efficiency, and the concept of a carbon monocoque chassis. Packaged with dimensions of 4,947 mm in length, 2,033 mm in width, and 1160 mm in height. Wheelbase 2,779 mm. And a total weight of 222 kg.
In terms of design, it reminds us of the Lamborghini Sian. Because the LED DRL has a shape like the letter Y horizontally, equipped with a hexagonal projector headlamp. The body is also typical of Lamborghini, aggressive style, and sharp curves are a mandatory menu in this car. From the side there is also a new design. The front fender has ventilation to reduce wind resistance, and the rear fender has ventilation directly to the engine room. Then add carbon side skirts with winglet details at the ends. The scissor door design made from the Countach model is also maintained in this Revuelto model.
Behind it is also no less interesting, because Lamborghini added a kind of high-mount stop lamp at the top of the rear window which also forms a horizontal Y, with dual hexagonal exhaust outputs in the middle. And the diffuser design has bigger blades, so the impression is much more aggressive.
The combination of the V12 engine and 3 electric motors, which are transferred via a double-clutch transmission, is capable of presenting 1,015 horsepower. The engine weighs only 128 kilograms, 17 kilograms lighter than the Aventador. The combustion engine itself has a power of 825 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and a torque of 725 Nm at 6,750 rpm. Synergy with 2 axial flux motor units at the front, as well as a radial flux motor positioned between the 8-speed transmission, which is its first debut in a V12 engine with a capacity of 6,499 cubic centimeters.
The 3 Lamborghini Revuelto electric motors are powered by lithium-ion batteries. This hypercar can also drive quietly using the electric drive mode. The dimensions of the battery are recognized as compact and strong. It is 1,550 mm long, 301 mm high and 240 mm wide. Each bag has a capacity of 3.8 kWh.
The Revuelto is a milestone for Lamborghini, and an important pillar in Dirección Cor Taurus electrification strategy,
said Stefan Winkelmann, Lamborghini chairman and CEO.
The V12 is an iconic symbol of our supersports history and heritage. This Lamborghini Revuelto is a battering ram. The combination of the V12 engine with hybrid technology makes for the perfect balance between presenting the emotions consumers want while simultaneously reducing emission levels.
Added Stefan, the racing ability of the Lamborghini Revuelto is the highest in its segment. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes just 2.5 seconds, and the top speed is 350 km per hour. The energy released to the wheels will not be wasted, because torque vectoring technology has been applied, 4-wheel drive capability and also electric motor drive modes, namely Recharge, Hybrid, Performance, Città, Strada, Sport and Casa. Making the Lamborghini Revuelto can be expressed in accordance with road conditions or racetracks.
Large discs carbon ceramic brakes plus are braking technology. The front caliper is embedded with 10 pistons using a 410 mm wide brake disc. The rear disc measures 390 mm accompanied by 4-piston calipers. Bridgestone Potenza Sport is the mainstay tire on the Lamborghini Revuelto. 256/35 ZRF20 at the front and 345/30 ZRF21 at the rear. There is also a choice of 265/30 ZRF21 for the front and 355/25 ZRF22 for the rear tires. For those who want to use it specifically when it snows, there is a choice of Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 tires.
The interior is wrapped in premium Casa Tex leather made from recycled polyester, covering all parts, from the dashboard, seats, to the steering wheel. This section has a 12.3-inch screen that can be monitored by drivers and passengers. Meanwhile, on the dashboard in front of the passenger seat there is a 9.1-inch screen. The middle dashboard screen is presented with a size of 8.4 inches. The two screens on the Revuelto also allow for the swipe function.
The Lamborghini Revuelto is also presented with the advanced driver assistance system safety technology for the first time, using a system of cameras, radar, and sensors. The package includes active lane departure warning, lane change warning, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert.
Regarding the price, the Lamborghini Revuelto has not confirmed the exact amount. But with new technology, of course, the price is above the Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae, which costs $500,000. This car also marks Lamborghini's transition into the hybrid era, after which they have scheduled the Urus Hybrid in 2024, and the Huracan successor with a hybrid in late 2024.